Hey, beautiful people, it's Rakeen. I'm back with another video. So, on this video, I'm going to teach you guys which one would be better, like kick off or self. And then I also want to teach you guys like the differences because a lot of people think that, one account has to be technically better than the other. And I'm going to show you guys the differences, but I'm going to show you guys how you can actually win with both too, and how you can win with both and not spend a lot of money. So, what you're looking at is my kickoff account, what it looks like. I technically don't have any type of payment going on in my credit account at all. So I had the credit account. The last time I had to make a payment on it was in 2023, and that was for something that I bought in 2022, I believe, when I was making a video for you all to teach you guys about a kickoff. Do y'all believe that kickoff is still reporting right now, and I have not made a payment? So that is something that I do like about kickoff. If you guys were to do like the $750 account with kickoff, you guys can purchase something, let it auto pay, and leave it where after everything is paid off, that's it. So you guys can do like an auto pay and probably purchase something for like $20 like I did. So if you guys were to go like to the store where you see right here it says make another purchase, go ahead and get one of these items right here and let it auto pay. Let it auto pay it off for like your $750 account. And then once it's done auto paying, they're still going to report to the credit bureaus. They're going to still report to the credit bureau. So that's something I do like about this one. Now, we're going to compare the kickoff to the self. So while we're talking about this $750 account, let me do say that they do have for kickoff, they do have the $3,500 account, they do have a $2,500 account. I do not believe in those. Paying $20 per month, $25 or even $35 is a lot of money per month to me, when you guys can just get a secure credit card like Navy Federal or Discover that can graduate to an $1,800 account or a $2,000 account. So that means in about, I would say, 9 months at the most. At the most, as long as you don't have new and negative accounts, you're working to build your credit, your credit is overall going up ever since you signed up. You can go from a $200 secure credit card to now they giving your $200 back, and they're going to give you now it's turned into a $2,000 credit card, $1,800 credit card. So I don't believe in the $2,500 account. I don't believe in the $3,500 account, especially if you just try to build your credit. Now, if you got utilization issues, the $3,500 account may help you, but then again, you may just need to put that $35 towards your credit cards, and you won't have any utilization issues no more, if you know what I mean. So let's look at, now that we know that we talked about the kickoff having a $750 account, here is that self Visa right here. So when you guys go to the the self, let me go to the original, the full off self account. So here is the self website here. Okay, here's the top of the self website here. Now the self, they do have it where you can get their credit card now, which is really amazing. So you guys will be able to get their credit card without having to go through their program like they had before. So a secure credit card with a $0 intro annual APR fee. So I mean, not APR, $0 annual fee. And then after that, it's gonna be $25. So self already had a $25 annual fee. I like this one. And we're only gonna compare it to the $750 account because Kickoff do have a secure credit card, but I have not checked that out fully. Um, I have not checked that one out fully, but I can vouch for self their Visa. I have seen people even rent a car with a self Visa credit card. So I'm gonna vouch for this one here, and the point that they have a $0 annual fee for the first year. I think that that's really, really amazing. So you guys can definitely, instead of doing a $750 account, maybe you want to think about doing this one, because I think you can start off with just $100 if I'm not mistaken. So yes, you have a minimum of $100 you can start off with. So you can start off with this one right away, which is something that I really like. So this is really nice. So compare this one. This one actually going to report to all three credit bureaus. As far as I'm concerned, too, with the kickoff account, that $750 account, it don't report to all three credit bureaus. But the self one will. Maybe want to compare this one to the kickoff secure credit card. So to find more reviews on those, I have not seen many reviews. When I looked at that last, it did not look like it was like a full on like kickoff secure credit card, but maybe they have changed some things. So definitely check that out further. Now they do have an installment account with kickoff that I do think is better than the one with self. So self may win with that credit, their secure credit card, but when it come down to the installment account, I think that kickoff is winning because with kickoff, when you guys are on kickoff, they have it where you guys can on the kickoff, they have it where you guys can do the 12 months credit builder loan. So let me see what it looks like if I want to renew it. So this is what it looks like. So if I want to renew it, they're going to charge me $10 per month, no fees, no interest. I'm going to build history on Equifax and TransUnion. I do not like that they don't do Experian for the loan. When did they stop that? They used to do all three. It reports as a loan though, and there's no fees, but I still like it though. $10 per month for 12 months. They're gonna report to Equifax and TransUnion. I still like that only because of no fees, but you technically could do both. You could do both. With this one, you're gonna pay a total of $89 though. I forgot that you can't necessarily like I can't highlight that. But you guys follow my cursor. You will pay a total of $89 technically, but you have to do this for 24 months. And the reason why a lot of people is even doing any of these accounts in the first place is because maybe they have issues with paying on time. So I just wouldn't want to be locked in for 24 months at all. I would rather take that kickoff, do it for the 12 months, pay the $10 per month and get my money back. And kickoff gave me my money back, I believe, the next day after I closed that loan. Check out one of my previous videos where I actually did the kickoff loan, actually opening and closing it, because you will be able to see like the process of it. But you're not getting charged any fees. But on here, you're going to get charged $89. On top of that, they want you to pay $25 per month, and they want you to do it for 24 months. Kickoff will report you late. Self will report you late. So if you know that you had a problem with paying any type of bill in the last 3 years on your credit report, whether you got it removed or not, because we talk about removing any late payments and things like that on this channel. Don't mess around and find out, okay? So do not mess around, because you may find out that you would have been better off just doing this one with the $10 per month, because it was going to get paid easier than trying to do $25 per month for 24 months, and some hiccup happened or whatever. I don't know what could happen. Maybe the money wasn't in there. Maybe something happened where you lost your job. I'm not trying to speak bad on it, but something could happen. And now you're stuck with that self, compared to if you would have did this kickoff at $10 per month. Okay, so those are the both of the differences. I suggest you guys check out both of them and see which one you guys like better. But the kickoff versus self, I love self for the credit builder loan. I mean, kickoff for the credit builder loan at the $10 per month. I love self. I love their Visa card. Then it's a $0 annual fee right now. You guys would just have to further check out what it would look like to have the loan that they have. And not the loan, the secure. Let me actually check it out. Let's click on learn more. But again, I can't vouch. Look, I can't even open it. So that's enough said. I can't even make a review on it. I'm like, let me check it out and look what's happening. They like, no, you're not going to get in here. So again, like I said, self, credit card, kickoff, credit builder loan. Okay. I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Bye-bye.